Gonna fry up some chicken cracklings. Chicken skin. Here we go. Chicken skin, seasoned with salt and MSG. That's it. I'm just gonna let this fry in its own fat until it's crunchy and crispy. Look at all that oil, all that from the fat. I didn't add any oil. This is from the skin itself. So you want to just fry this in its own oil, constantly stirring on low to medium heat until it's golden and crispy. Look at all that oil from the skins. I did not add any oil. This is from the skin itself, the fat, its own fat. I'm just frying this up in low to medium heat, constantly stirring so it doesn't burn until it's golden and crispy. That's about right. Look at all that fat. That's probably about a cup and a half of fat. And look at this beautiful, golden, crispy chicken cracklings, guys. Very simple, very easy to make. I eat this with papaya salad. I also like to crumble them up and eat it with salads, regular salads. We can eat it by itself. Just let it cool down. Let me taste one for you. Not crunchy. Right, guys, thanks for watching.